Yes, namaste. Good evening, friends. This is Dr. Jyoti Joshi, live from Joshi Panchakarma Clinic, Panvel. So this is one of the interesting case. Because of some technical issues, the live video got actually disconnected. So thank you for your time, basically. So yes. Can you please, what is the journey you have observed, actually, you have witnessed basically with the Ayurveda and the cancer? So, can you please explain?
Surely it would be more than a pleasure for all the people who are suffering. I would like to advise them to please take up the Ayurvedic path, because that is the only path that will help you come out of this disease. Actually, I think according to Ayurveda, this is not even a disease. This is a result of something, whatever it is. I would like to tell you the journey on which me and my mother have been traveling. This all started in 2011. I remember the date distinctly because it was a very rare number. It was 11th November 2011. 11. On that day, my mom was operated for breast cancer at Bhaktivedanta Hospital in Mira Road. We were at a total loss. हमारे पैरों तले की ज़मीन खिसक गई थी when we knew that it was second stage breast cancer. Though the doctor had assured us that it is still time, we have time, and that we've not lost the battle as yet. But it was very depressing. She went through 4 chemotherapies after that. She was 65 at that time, and today 2025 is a wonderful day in which I'm speaking to you and telling you that she's absolutely cured. All her reports have come normal. They were normal even last year and the year before that, thanks to Dr. Jyoti Joshi. Flashback again. In COVID 2019, she was cured, and her yearly medications and everything was on. Her yearly checkups and everything was on, and COVID came, and we couldn't visit our oncologist. We had taken out her entire body's reports, and there was a little teeny weeny cyst in the other breast, and the uterus wall lining was increased from 5 mm to 10 mm. So that was a cause of the concern for me. But according to allopathy, I needed to get her operated, scoop out the lining of the stomach and send it for checking just to see whether it is cancerous or not. And there was no guarantee according to the doctor that it will not come back again. She was like, it can again come back to 10 centimeters, 10 mm. धीरे वो वापस बढ़ के 10 mm हो सकता है. हम वापस 5 mm कर देंगे, निकाल के, काट के, पेट करके, स्क्रैप करके. मगर एज रिलेटेड है तो वापस बढ़ भी सकता है, गारंटी नहीं है. सेम विद दैट लिटिल सिस्ट. वो इतनी छोटी सिस्ट थी कि डॉक्टर बोले कि निकालने के टाइम वो बचक भी सकती है, मगर हमको निकाल के टेस्ट करना है. But at that age, she was almost past 70 at that time. I didn't want her to get under the scissor, under the knife. And COVID का time था तो कोई doctors ready भी नहीं थे ज़्यादा लेने को. So I had no other option but to listen to my friend Bhagya Lakshmi, who got me over here to Dr. Jyoti Joshi's clinic. And I think that was the most intelligent thing I have ever done in my life. Come here. मैंने अपना केस समझाया डॉक्टर को. मैं बहुत ही एप्रीहेंसिव थी, पता नहीं कैसा होगा, क्या होगा. मैंने ही डॉक्टर का इंटरव्यू ले लिया था उस वक्त, नॉट नोइंग के व्हाट folly I was doing. And after that, it was a journey that words cannot express. You have to experience it to believe it. जैसे जैसे डॉक्टर की दवाइयाँ चालू हुई और मॉम लेती गई, वैसे वैसे I have all the reports to prove it. वो जो सिस्ट तो डिसअपियर हो गया, जो लाइनिंग थी वो 10 mm से 2-3 महीने में ग्रेजुअली धीरे धीरे कम होती गई. 9 mm हुई, 8 हुई, 7 हुई, 6 हुई, और नॉर्मल है अभी नहीं, 2-4 साल से नॉर्मल है. और सिस्ट, एज आई सेड, जस्ट वैनिश्ड. एंड नाउ शी इज ऑल्सो गेनिंग वेट, gaining her strength. And if you speak to my mother, she says she is more fitter and better now than she was before cancer. So Dr. Jyoti Joshi, you are a god in disguise, I would say. It is our luck that we met someone like you, thanks to COVID, I should say. कि कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें भी हुई कोविड में, उसमें से एक ये था कि we discovered you. So कैंसर हो या कैंसर की दवाइयों की वजह से जो साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं, वो सब फ्लश आउट करने में, बॉडी से टॉक्सिक्स रिलीज करने में जो मदद आयुर्वेदा ने की है, आई डोंट थिंक और कोई भी पैथी कर सकती है. इनफैक्ट ये सब जो फ्लश आउट करने की जरूरत पड़ रही है उसका रीजन ही एलोपैथी है. एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन से ही इतने सारे टॉक्सिक्स हो जाते हैं कि वो एक डिजीज क्योर करने के चक्कर में दूसरे 4 डिजीज को जन्म देते हैं. वो बात यहाँ आने के बाद इतनी क्लियरली समझ में आई है. नॉट ओनली बाय कंज्यूमिंग इट, द पर्सन हु इज कंज्यूमिंग इट को तो फील हो ही रहा है, मगर उनके इर्द गिर्द जो लोग रहते हैं उनको भी नजर फर्क समझ में आ रहा है. Everyone in my building, my servant, my neighbors, everyone was like, your mother looks so nice, she's glowing with health, she is so healthy. और आज at the age of 77, she does all the housework. I only make chapatis, everything else is done by her. She's so fit and she's so fine. Of course, her personal nature also makes a lot of difference. She's basically a very positive person. So that also helped her recover. But earlier also she was positive along with the allopathic medicines. That didn't help her recover so much as the Ayurvedic medicines did. So if you're lucky, you'll get to come here. And if not, destiny. That is all I have to say.
Thank you. You would like to say something?
Thank you so much, doctor. God bless you.
Thank you so much. So basically, I'm so happy because I just wanted to show you this thing, that a patient can reach to this stage where you can see all these reports. But with that, I can write on the paper, on my paper, that you can see here today's date, and you can see all reports are normal, no medication. So ये stage generally बहुत rarely आता है, and in between कोई medicines चल रहे थे, मतलब जैसे ऐसे होता है कि कैंसर में कंटिन्यूअस मेडिकेशंस की जरूरत पड़ती है. सो इन बिटवीन कोई मेडिसिन थे अभी लास्ट कपल ऑफ इयर्स में?
नहीं. आपकी मेडिसिन 2 साल पहले हमने जो बंद की, उसके बाद कोई मेडिसिन नहीं, एलोपैथी ना आयुर्वेदी ना कोई और पैथी. 2 साल से शी इज ऑफ ऑल मेडिसिन. ऑफ कोर्स मैं उसको सप्लीमेंट्स दे रही हूँ. कैल्शियम की जो आपने बोली है, कैल्शियम कम है, आयरन कम है, बीच बीच में वो सब होता रहता है. वो तो पहले भी थी. बट अदर देन दैट, नो मेडिसिन एज सच फॉर 2 years. शी इज ऑफ ऑल मेडिसिन एंड शी इज डूइंग वेल. एवरी ईयर आई टेक आउट ऑल द रिपोर्ट्स एंड शो इट टू यू. दिस ईयर इट हैज बीन टोटली गॉन. वो सिस्ट भी गया है, 2 साल पहले ही गया था, और वो लाइनिंग धीरे धीरे कम होकर एकदम नॉर्मल हो गया है. सो नथिंग. This was the first. You can show the first year.
No,
when she
this
started.
is Dulamachi, your cousins.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see basically ये stage कोई भी डॉक्टर के लिए बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट होता है कि no need of medicine, especially in the cancer patient. So gradually we will see that the reports. So evidence-based Ayurveda is a need of our. So you can see अभी के recent reports है. So basically हम पहले से compare करेंगे ये reports को. So you can see this is 2018 May 23. So यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो, that is the patient were under the treatment. So you can see there is no significant abnormality detected. But उसके पहले if you'll see on the 6/9/2022, so you can see 3x2 mm size. There is a 10 o'clock position पे उनको छोटा सा excess था, और उसके बाद there is no ये no significant abnormality. And here also you can see there is completely no abnormality. Plus there is a slight, only one lymph node is there, but you can see there is no cyst. That's completely normal. This is the normal report. उसके पहले के you can see the continuously it is 3x2 mm size in 2022. उसके पहले का in 21 you can see 3x2 mm size cyst is there. So जिनको भी लगता है कि आयुर्वेदा से ये सब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, सिर्फ एक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कुछ डिसीजेस के लिए है, सो ऐसा नहीं है. सो यू कैन सी ऑल दीज रिपोर्ट्स बेसिकली. सो या इवन चेस्ट एक्सरेज में भी कहीं पे ओबेसिटीज वगैरह थे. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो केम नॉर्मल. सो हियर यू कैन सी कि ब्रेस्ट सिस्ट इज गॉन. नाउ आई विल कम टू दिस पार्ट वेयर दिस आर द ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स. सो आई विल शो यू here. Yeah, so you can see here.
We start from the last.
Yes, definitely.
पहले 10 mm था, तो धीरे धीरे कैसे कम हुआ.
Yes, so you can see here it is in 2021. So you can see the endometrial thickness is 10 mm. प्लस उसके साथ ये भी था कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्ट ऑन द मिड पॉल ऑफ द लेफ्ट किडनी. सो किडनी के ऊपर भी सिस्ट था, एंड ग्रेजुअली यू विल सी. सो बेसिकली 21 10 mm एंडोमेट्रियल थिकनेस, और उसके साथ किडनी पे सिस्ट था, कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्ट विथ फैटी लीवर. So यहाँ पे भी फैटी लीवर है, endometrial thickness become 8.3 and renal cyst is still there and the date is 21 March, 9th of March. Yeah, here also you can see that is 4th Jan 22 May it becomes 7.1 and you can see thickened endometrial है, but उसके साथ cortical cyst भी है and hepatomegaly with the fatty liver है. उसके बाद we will see in 2022. So here you can see that is 7.5 mm है endometrial thickness and you can see it is minimally complex cortical cyst or mild smooth thickening of the endometrial and it become from 10 to 7.5 mm. Yes, so here you can see in the 18 May 23 it become 8.2 but it has not reached to 10 mm, slight difference. It just there is no the renal cortical cyst. Here you can see it. Yes, and now you can see this report that is 5th March 22. Yes, so there is no endo liver में जो fatty infiltration था, fatty liver that is also not there. Hepatomegaly भी नहीं है. So you can see liver is absolutely normal. Plus you can see here that endometrial thickness is also it has reached to 7.8. So there is no spotting, no bleeding, no symptom. The patient is doing absolutely normal. So this is what evidence based Ayurveda. So ये reports दिखाने का मकसद यही था और इसके साथ patient का testimonial is also very important. So thank you so much for your time and explaining everything. And I'm so happy that you are having so much of the connection with Ayurveda, the authentic and scientific Ayurveda. क्योंकि Ayurveda तो बहुत लोगों को लगता है हम Ayurveda कर रहे हैं, but actual Ayurveda is somewhere very different.
Absolutely.
Yes.
अगर आपको विश्वास नहीं भी है तो भी वो काम करता है. It is amazing that people who don't trust Ayurveda, we didn't know anything about this. It is just that we kept our minds open. You just need to keep your mind open and let it give a try to it. एक chance देकर देखो. You have nothing to lose. That's all I can say.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Namaste. Thank you.